my channel. My name is Shawnee, and today this video is going to be an unboxing of some iPad accessories and me installing and reviewing the Mobdik paper fill screen protector. So, we have a little bit of ASMR for you guys, but I've had my iPad, I think it's the 7th generation, since about May. You guys have seen the unboxing, you guys have seen me do some videos on it, but I finally decided to get some accessories. So first I got a pencil cover or holder, then I got this tablet case. I was trying to find a cute case for a long time that had a pencil holder, and I finally found one that was blue, and blue is my favorite color. I can't remember the name of the company that I got this from, but I did get it from Amazon, so I will leave the links to all this stuff down below for you guys. And they just had like this cute little, note card, it's talking about all the things. And yeah, I'm just gonna, the thing I like about this case is it's not like a hard case. The one that I was kind of looking at had like a hard plastic outside, and I didn't really like that. This one has like a very smooth, like silicone feel, and like I said, it has a pencil holder, which is going to be very helpful for me because I tend to keep my Apple Pencil on my desk, but also sometimes I like to tuck it in so I won't lose it. And so this is me applying the screen protector. I really wanted a paper fill one because matte screen protectors are not a good substitute. I thought it would be, but it's not. The paper fill screen protectors literally have like tooth, and if you guys know about paper, and paper has a tooth, like it has a grit to it, and this screen protector has that. And I was excited to get it. I was very surprised when I felt it because I was like, oh, and it is about 0.17 millimeters of thickness. It has low reflection, and of course it has paper fill. And this is a 2-pack, and this was about, I want to say $12, but like I said, I will definitely link it down below. It was a struggle, a little bit of a struggle to put on, not too bad, but I'm one of those people that struggles putting on screen protectors anyway. But it comes with the 2 screen protectors. It comes with the little, like, I don't know what you'd call it. It's not rubber, but the rubber like kind of feet so that you can keep your iPad stable while you're putting the screen protectors on. It has a squeegee. It has 2 wet towelettes, and it has like the stickers so you keep it in place. If you guys don't know, putting the stickers on the back of your device and putting it on the front helps you align it before you put it on. So yeah, you guys are just gonna see me struggle putting this on because it's a lot. It takes a lot. And it also has like the little lint thingy to take off the lint off of your case and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a whole lot doing this. A whole lot. So now I'm just putting the little feet like under it before I put on the case. And you see my face in the iPad, and you also see my phone. Hello. But yeah. And I apologize for how gross my iPad screen is. It looks disgusting. Like, disgusting. And then I just squeegeed out like all the little spots and stuff. Which one thing I do hate is when I actually put my iPad back into the case, it kind of lifted, which was very annoying. But I think I did a pretty good job of applying it, if you know, I do say so myself. See, I really hated like how it started to lift once I put the case on, but yeah, it is what it is. And you can hear like the grit as I like rub my hands across it, like the sound that it has. And then now we're gonna put our pencil into the case, into the cover, whatever you call it. And now we get into the test so you guys can hear the sound in the feel. Ignore me being an idiot and drawing with that tip on. But you can literally hear the sound. I was trying to type hello, not hell, but yeah. But you can literally hear like the sound of the pencil against the paper feel. And it's really nice. It feels great. I feel like my handwriting definitely improved versus writing on just like the regular matte screen. So I would definitely suggest getting the Mobdik, I'm probably not saying that correctly, paper fill stream sector from Amazon if you want a screen protector for a inexpensive price. I would definitely recommend it for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.